Do you not have a gun?
I have a pistol.
Oh.
And I have a duck.
A duck.
I'm gonna chuck it and run.
Did you see? I have a duck.
I have a duck. I'm okay.
Just yell grenade when you throw it.
Okay, yeah.
Nita!
Ready!
Ready!
Team ready!
Caleb, let's go this way. Oh, that's it.
As the game starts, I hope to rush the southwest border to get an angle on the enemy flag.
One here.
I get a lucky window shot as this player forgot about the low window in this wall. Wasting no time, I lead our front line and push ahead.
Do you not have a gun?
I have a pistol.
Oh.
And I have a duck.
A duck.
I'm gonna chuck it and run.
Did you see? I have a duck.
I have a duck. I'm okay.
Just yell grenade when you throw it.
Okay, yeah.
By the way, oh, fruit snacks again.
Do you want some?
No, just shoves it in my pocket. Do you see anyone?
No, I don't.
Here, one sec.
When is the time?
What?
Whenever you think of time, I will run.
I just need to see what we got.
Right here's one. Walk this one.
While I hold the front line, Caleb applies some pressure on some enemies advancing.
There's one to my 12. Yeah, he's behind a tree though. He's pretty well covered. You really can't get him.
Guy right here in front of me in his phone.
I pull back to regroup and try to rally some allies to push up with me.
That was right past my ear.
Are we being shot by our own team here? Oh.
When you were over there, there was that one that was behind the tree. All I could see was his gun. That's all I could see.
Wonder if I can get up to.
Good shot.
Got him.
There.
This wall right here, there's someone. He's hit.
My shots aren't quite floating out that far, so I close the gap and take cover.
Did you get him, Adam?
Adam took him down before I could get in position. Time to clear this next bunker.
Hey, one sec. Hey, Caleb, was it clear over here?
I think it was because all there was the LMG, and I haven't heard anything since.
I want to get to that B.
Oh, the one in front? Oh, it's not clear. Yeah, that's Jesse.
Caleb puts down enough suppressor fire to cut me a path. With the windows checked and threats clear, it's time to deploy my Quake 8 to finish off the last two enemies bunkered down in front of us, in hopes of taking the critical fort.
You're good. Oh. Thank you.
I should have stopped at that first wall, but I quickly returned from respawn and continued pushing this forward.
Oh shit.
With Caleb down, I stay low and push up to clear the threat. Noticing a squad of 3 just in front of me, I prep my Quake 8. Who am I to deny a request? They did ask for it.
What? Where's that coming from? Oh, I see. What? You want to bring it here?
Sorry, Spencer, I didn't realize my burst got you there.
Was that a triple kill?
Yeah.
Here, just roll it. Thanks.
Taking a second to catch my breath, I also check my ammo reserves before moving forward.
I want to get a flag. Hey guys, what's the plan?
I'm ready to rush it.
There's some people over there. We need to get to this B. Someone's moving far back right, far back right. Where is this guy? There's a guy right here. We have to clear him because he'll shoot us when we go for the flag. Get out this window. What? Hit? By who?
Jesse. There were no words that came out. I was just like, ooh.
Medic!
Shortly after this takedown, the game would come to a draw as the timer ran out with neither team securing the enemy flag. Overall, it seemed like a very balanced match with both teams equally holding their own ground. If you enjoyed the video, consider dropping a like, comment, or subscribe if you're new here. Until next time, stay awesome and hope to see you on my field.